you're all okay, welcome back to my channel. This video is just so exciting. I'm honestly so excited to sit here and film this video. So as you can see from the title, today I'm doing a House of CB unboxing slash haul try on review video. I've never done a House of CB unboxing on my channel, so that is why I'm so excited. And not only that, I actually got contacted by them a couple of weeks ago to do this video. It has all kindly been gifted. Just want to get that out there before we commence this video. It's not sponsored, it has just kindly been gifted. To just receive an email from them wanting to work with me, it just blew my mind, because House of CB are just one of those brands that I've always sort of wanted to work with. Love their clothes. I have bought a couple of things on their website before, so I do sort of know like they are a really good sort of, you know, higher end, going out luxurious clothing website, I would say. Anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling and get straight on into what I've got. So I actually got sent 2 boxes because I think a couple of items were actually from their LA warehouse, which took a couple of days after than the first box, so it didn't actually take that long. So yeah, let's get into the first box. So this is the first box. It did actually have like an elasticated strap on, which I just took off. The first thing to note is all the items come in a gorgeous box. We just got House of CB London in this like metallic gold foil in a gorgeous nude box. It's also just got their social media and the website printed there. I always feel like when things come in nice packaging or boxes, it always just feels so much more luxurious. I don't know about you guys, but that's how I feel. Everything also comes wrapped in tissue paper, which again, I just love packaging. Okay, so the first thing I picked up was this gorgeous jumpsuit. Honestly, I was so excited to receive this one because when I seen it on the website, it was just one of those classic, gorgeous, like nudie pink jumpsuits I just thought would be so nice for an evening attire. So this is what it looks like. So yes, it is quite plungy. Definitely for me, something more suited for like going out with the guys for drinks and a night time. Top of the jumpsuit just has a straight plunge down. One thing I would note is if you've got big boobs, I don't know how well your boobs are going to stay in that. Like this is an extra small and it doesn't seem that big going across. Like I've luckily only got tiny boobs, so my boobs fitted in this fine. But yeah, one thing to note, I just feel like with this is I don't know how that will go over someone who's maybe got like really big boobs. So yeah, and then it just drops down into a gorgeous wide leg jumpsuit. It also has adjustable straps on the back, so that's a very good thing. You guys know I'm all about the adjustable strap. The fabric of this is just like a really gorgeous high-end crepe fabric. Like it's a really heavy weighted crepe fabric. Obviously I used to work in fashion, so I dealt with fabrics quite a lot, but just from the weight of this, it's a really good quality high-end crepe fabric. So yeah, that's really good. I got it in a size extra small, so an extra small is supposed to be a size 6 to 8. So I'm going to try this on and show you how it looks on. So I feel like out of all the plungy things that I've tried on, this is probably the best fitting wise, just because it's got straps, which always I've got some hang tags hanging out, but it's got adjustable straps, which is what you guys know I need. So yeah, this fits so nice. It fits lovely on the legs. I actually thought this was a wide leg. I don't know why I thought it was a wide leg, but it's actually not. It's not like a really skinny leg, it's just sort of like a tapered leg, but the leg's really nice. Like it fits so nice on the crotch area. It's not too long on my body or anything. Again, it fits really nice here, and yeah, like I said, the adjustable straps are doing wonders for me because it's like bringing my boobs up and obviously keeping them secure. I don't feel like my boobs are going to fall out at any moment. I'm really comfy in it. Like I said, really nice fitting, really good quality fabric. So yeah, this one is definitely a thumbs up from me. The next thing I picked up from House CB was just this simple, gorgeous black jumpsuit. So this is what it looks like. So it's just like a bandeau jumpsuit, but it's got this sort of like sculpted area across the chest, which I really like. Let me have a little feel of it. Yeah, it feels really stiff and sturdy, so that's nice because you know it's going to sort of fit you nice. I feel like when things are really like flappy and in like a thin fabric, it never sort of flatters you on this top half. But yeah, this feels really sturdy. It's got all wiring underneath this as well, which is really good. So it's going to sort of like bend towards like your bust area. It's got a zip on the back, so easy access to get in. And then it's just sort of like a tapered, narrow leg. So it's not a wide leg. It does also have zips on the bottom. Oh, I didn't even realise it had that. So yeah, it's got zips on the bottom of the legs. Really good fabric quality. Feels like a really high-end sort of jumpsuit. Again, I got this in a size extra small. And the price of this one was £139, which I know to a lot of you it's going to be like, wow, that's so expensive for a jumpsuit. But honestly, guys, I can't tell you how good quality these feel. Like, they do feel insane quality. They don't feel like your standard PLT or misguided jumpsuit. Price does sort of reflect in the quality of what the jumpsuit is. So I'm going to try that one and show you what it looks like now. Okay, so this is what the black jumpsuit looks like on. when I was ordering on a House CB, I really didn't know what size to pick. I feel like when you have sizings of like extra small, small, medium and large, it's always a little bit of a hard one because extra small is classed as 6 to an 8. So I'm a 6, so to me that would be, I'm an extra small. But like I said, I have ordered from House CB previously and I knew that, especially with the bandage fabric, an extra small was way too tight for me. So I was a little bit stuck on what to choose because I know that with a lot of these fabrics, sometimes you do have to sort of size up because they are so like tight fitting fabric. At the same time, when I was reading on their sizing guide, it did say like stick to your size, don't size up, everything is true to size. So like I said, this is a size extra small. It does feel quite tight. I've got into it, like I have got into it, guys. Definitely quite tight, but I feel like if I had got a size up, it would have been too big. So yeah, it does fit really snug everywhere. I feel like with it being so tight, it does sort of show off like my figure, and it is super flattering. So I really do love the fit of it. Like I said, it's just a little bit tight, so probably won't want to be eating any pasta or anything when I wear this. As I said, stunning fit, really does fit me lovely everywhere. I feel like especially on my bust area, it fits really nice. I've not managed to do it up completely at the back just because I've got no one here to help me. Struggles when you're on your own. Just teamed it with a pair of Miss Pat heels, I believe these are. I probably wouldn't have my hair like this if I was going out, but yeah, I've just kept it how it is today. But yeah, I really love this. So the next thing I picked up was this red dress. So this was something a little bit different. To be quite honest, a lot of the things I wanted was sold out in my size. It's always the case. Everything that I want is always sold out in an extra small. But anyway, I got this red dress because I did think it looked really cute on the website. Thought it'd be really nice for summer. So yeah, it's just this red sort of like bralette bustier dress. It's got straps with adjustables, perfect. And yeah, I just really like this detail and just think it's quite a nice simple dress, but just with a little different twist on it. It's a midi dress, which I always think looks super classy. So yeah, it just goes straight down like that. Again, the quality is just insane. It feels so nice, and it feels that sort of material that's really going to sort of like figure hug your body and really show off your figure. So I really like that about it. This was £119. And I'm going to show you what it looks like on. Okay, so I absolutely love this dress. I think as I've been trying these on, I've sort of realised that plunge things aren't for me, and things like this are just so much better suited. With myself having smallish boobs, those plunge things just don't do nothing for me or my figure, whereas these sorts of styles, they just make me feel so much more comfortable. They lift my boobs up, and yeah, I just think they're a lot more flattering. Yeah, I absolutely love this dress. It fits insane. Like the fit of this dress is incredible. It's really sucked me in everywhere. Like I really feel like it's showing my bum off. And let me just show you the like bit here as well, because like I said, I've not got the biggest boobs, but I feel like this really sort of helps me with my boobs. Like I've not even got a bra on, and it's sort of like lifted them up and made me look like I've got a little bit more than what I have, if that makes sense. So yeah, I absolutely love this dress. So this dress looked absolutely insane on the website. I mean, I don't know if I'm personally going to be able to pull it off because the girl who was wearing it had fake boobs. I always feel like when you've got fake boobs and wear dresses, they just look a little bit better because your boobs sit where you want them to, and my boobs don't sit like that. But anyway, I'm going to try it on and see what it looks like. Hopefully it does still look nice on. But yeah, it's this gorgeous like white dress. So it's a long sleeve dress. It's got shoulder pads at the top. It's a real nice plunge dress, and then it just sinks down and has this sort of like wrap over detail at the bottom. Don't know if you can quite see that. I'm going to try it on and show it you a lot better and tell you what it's like on. But yeah, I just absolutely fell in love with this in the picture on the website. Honestly, it feels such good quality as well. It's so heavy. It is £139 this one, but I can definitely see why it is. It's fully lined. Like I said, it's got really nice shoulder padding detailing. Yeah, this is so stunning, this dress. I can't wait to try that. And again, I got all of these things in a size extra small, so yeah. Okay, so I really like this one. I know it's very open and plunge again, but I love the fit. The fit on the sleeves is so nice and snug. I feel like it's a really nice fit in here, really nice fit in around the waist as well. I love the fact that it's a midi dress. The only thing I would say is that it definitely is one for boob tape. Like at the moment, it's very open because I've not like stuck it down. So definitely if you do decide to get this dress, it's definitely something you are going to require boob tape for, unless you've got like bigger boobs than me and it can just sort of hold with your boobs in. But yeah, I feel like with me, it is quite loose on this area. you know, if I put it down, it's okay, then obviously it pulls my boobs out and stuff. So I definitely feel like with this dress, for me personally, it is a boob tape one. So I'd obviously boob tape my boobs up a little bit more and then tape them down, and then they would look so much better. But yeah, I do really like this dress. I love the fact that it's got that sexy element with the plunged neck, but then it's obviously longer on the bottom half. It's also really nicely fitted here because of the shoulder pads. It adds a lot of structure to the dress. But yeah, obviously my one pointer would be that you definitely, if you've got like small boobs like me, will require boob tape, just so you can stick this down to avoid any dramas. Okay, so the next thing I picked up was another jumpsuit. I absolutely love jumpsuits. I always feel really comfortable when I wear a jumpsuit. When I was younger, I always used to wear a lot of dresses, and I feel like as I'm getting a little bit older, like jumpsuits are my go-to. So I seen this one, I thought it'd be perfect for holiday. So it's just simply this off-the-shoulder jumpsuit, so it sort of crosses over and will sit off the shoulder like that. And then it just drops down into a really nice simple straight leg. So it's quite a simple concept, but again, on the website it just looked so stunning. It just fitted the girl so perfectly, and yeah, I just thought like dressed up with a few nice accessories, this will look so pretty on. This is in the shade light blush and it was £129. Again, I got this in an extra small. So yeah, I just thought this would look so nice on holiday with like a nice tan, and like I said, just some nice jewellery and some accessories to go with it. Okay, so this was another one that on the website, the pictures looked insane. The models looked just amazing. And again, I feel like this jumpsuit would be absolutely perfect for holiday. I feel like with a tan, which yeah, I currently do have, you know, blonde hair, well, brunette as well, because I feel like this would look super stunning with brunette as well. For me, this one was just definitely called in like holiday dinner vibes, and I love it. The fit is amazing again. Let me just turn around for you. Like, it fits amazing on the bum, amazing on the legs. Again, it has that little zip on the legs, so you can sort of get into it and then obviously pull the zip down, and it really tightens on the ankle, which I like. It just fits everywhere so lovely. I feel like the bust area as well. Let me just come in a little bit and show you closer. I feel like on the bust area it fits so stunning and flattering. In general, the fit is just insane. Like, it's definitely something I feel like I can tell such a difference from say something from Pretty Little Thing or something from Misguided or wherever the, you know, sort of like cheaper online store may be. I understand these are a lot more expensive, but you just can really see that the care and obviously time has been taken to ensure that the fit is spot on. And yeah, I do feel like this just fits insane. So yeah, I really love this one. Okay, so box number 2. So like I said, this box came a couple of days later than the previous box, just because these were shipped from the LA warehouse, I believe. So let's see what we've got. The thing I got was another jumpsuit. Like I said, a bit obsessed with jumpsuits at the moment, and this is what it looks like. So it's just this gorgeous white long sleeve jumpsuit. This time it's in more of like a slinky fabric. I definitely feel like when I wear something that's slinky, I have to have minimum carbs, else you can definitely see like my bloatedness. Shoulder padding again, which obviously adds a lot of structure to the top half. It goes to a plunge detail, has these gorgeous little button details here, which I really like, which is at the bottom of the V plunge, and then it just goes off into a wide leg jumpsuit. Only thing maybe I might be a little bit concerned about is how this is going to fit on the leg, because the thing is with jumpsuits, being 5'3", they don't always fit me perfectly, like on the crotch area and on the leg, because my legs are short. So yeah, I'm going to try this on and see how it is. This was again £139. I feel like with a lot of House CB things, they sort of range from like 109 to like 139. There are a few more things that are a little bit more expensive than that, and some things that are a little bit cheaper, but that's just general like pricing structure. Okay, so this is what the white slinky jumpsuit looks like on. Admittedly, slinky isn't normally something I go for. Like, if I know something slinky, I don't normally like sway towards it, but this is a good quality slinky. It's doubled up slinky, and yeah, like I said, it's got a really nice weight to it, so it's not like a cheap slinky fabric. Definitely this doesn't fit me how I would want it to at all, so that's why I'm not really like in love with it. So basically it's a little bit too long. Some of the jumpsuits have been absolutely amazing on length, but this one in particular I do feel like it is a little bit long. So I could get it altered if I really wanted to, or it definitely fits someone who's a little bit taller than me. As I've mentioned before, I am 5'3", so if you was like 5'5", 5'6", I think onwards, like it would be perfect for you. Secondly, the boob area. I admittedly don't have the biggest boobs and the most upright boobs either. I feel like they're slightly saggy. I don't know, they just don't sit on my chest like how I would want them to. Like, I see all these girls with like amazing boob jobs and their boobs just sit so upright, and like I feel like when they wear things like this it looks so nice. But when I wear things like this, because of my boobs, they just sort of like sit down and just makes me feel really uncomfortable and just, yeah, a bit out of my comfort zone, so I don't really like that. I do have a little trick actually if you want to make your boobs look a little bit more perky. I don't know if you guys know, but you can get some boob tape and just basically double side it, stick it say up here, and then like stick your boob to it, and then what it does is it will stick down and make your boob appear more like that. So that is a little trick if like you sort of have the issue that I do. I feel like this would personally be suited for someone who's a little bit more top heavy and got something to fill it out, because I obviously don't, and then yeah, it is a little bit loose around here. So yeah, it is a really nice jumpsuit, but I just don't feel like this one is for me. Okay, so the last thing I picked up from House of CB is this gorgeous red jumpsuit. So this was definitely one of those that, you know, when you just look at something and you're like, oh my god, that looks amazing. That was how I felt about this one. You guys know that I've been having a little bit of a thing for red. Like, if there's one colour I will pick out, it will be red at the moment. So this is what it looks like. It's just a really nice classic V-plunge jumpsuit. So this is the top half of the jumpsuit. This doesn't have any adjustable straps, so that might be an issue. I'm not too sure. We will try it on and see. But yeah, it's in a really gorgeous fabric again. Really good weight to it. Drops off simply into a wide leg, and the back also just has a scoop. So really like backless as well. Again, I'm going to try this on and show you so you can get a better picture of what it looks like on. I got this in again in a size extra small, and this was £129. Okay, so girls, I'm so gutted about this jumpsuit. Honestly, I absolutely freaking love this. It is insane. The fabric, the quality, the fit. Like, the bottom half is an absolute dream. Like, this half fits amazingly. It just skims past my bum. The wide leg is just so nice, and just the fabric quality and the weight is just, it really is insane. And I like the length as well. Like, it's quite long, but I really like the longness of the length. Everything about it is amazing, except, wait for it. Wait, I hope my boobs are. It's my issue. As I explained to you, I have such an issue with strappy tops. Okay, maybe I should cover myself up now. I have such an issue with strappy tops. If they aren't adjustable straps, they are like guaranteed not to fit me, because I'm so petite on this area. I think it's just maybe my strap circumference. I don't know. I don't even know, but like, it just doesn't work. It just doesn't, like, nothing will ever fit me here. I'm so petite here with straps. So it's such a shame. I feel like it's so frustrating, because this jumpsuit otherwise, like, I'm obsessed with it. And obviously, if you are a little bit taller and don't have this issue, it will fit a dream on you. I honestly can just imagine it. So yeah, I think for me, I might actually just try and get this altered. I don't know if there will be a way. Let me just show you the back. Ignore the tan. I don't think I have actually tanned my back. And if it is tanned, it probably is patchy. But yeah, this is the back. It sort of like scoops. So I don't know, like, maybe I can just, or even if I just got some taken out. Like, look, if I got some taken out, but then I feel like if I got some taken out, it's a bit of an issue here, because it's like pinching together. So I think the best way would be to make it like a halter neck. I don't know, I'm gonna see, because I feel like it's such a shame with this, because otherwise it's such a nice jumpsuit. So okay, so this is how I envision it to look like. I've just got a hair grip and just sort of clipped the top into a halter neck as opposed to a strappy thing, because obviously the strappy thing doesn't fit me. But yeah, this is how I envision it to look. So yeah, I definitely feel like I'm going to get this one altered, because like I said, I do really like it. I love the colour, I love the fabric quality, I love everything about it. So yeah, just a little clip it of how it should fit me. So yeah, that's everything that I picked up from House CB. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. I love doing different videos with different brands. It's really exciting, because I know we can get a bit fed up with me doing the same brands all the time, so I do like to switch it up. I know House CB is a little bit more of a higher end brand and probably not in everybody's budget, but honestly, their clothes are so stunning and amazing, and you know, sometimes paying that little bit more does reflect in the quality of the item, and in this case it definitely does. But yeah, I really hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a big thumbs up. Remember to hit the subscribe button if you are new here, and I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.